Come on, John June. All right, come on. You gotta drink this cough syrup. You've been coughing all day. Come on. Come on. Open it up. Open wide. Come on, I don't want to drink that. This is so bad. Oh. Hey. What? It's still in my mouth. The taste is still in my mouth.